Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. Add drivers. Select drivers from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the Drivers page. To add a new driver, select the Add Driver button at the top. In the pop-up, fill in the driver's email. The driver's email address cannot be the same email address that was used to create a carrier account. There are 3 allowances you can give that driver now or edit later. Enabling yard moves will give the driver a yard move duty status that can be used when the truck's move is not part of a drive. When used, the driver will still be on duty, but the time will not cut into their available drive time. Enabling Personal Conveyance will give the driver a Personal Conveyance duty status that can be used when driving the truck for personal transport. Generally, this can only be used when the driver has no commercial property loaded on the truck. When used, the driver will be off-duty. Exempting a driver from HOS rules allows the driver to use the ELD device, but not follow the hours of service rules. Once you are finished filling in the driver's information, select the Add This Driver button to complete this step. You will be on the Invited tab on the Drivers page, where you will see all outstanding driver invites. Drivers creating accounts on the mobile app will see invites during account creation. Make sure you tell your drivers to get the Drive ELD mobile app on their phone. You can also check for driver requests under the Requested tab. After reviewing the driver's information, either select the green Confirm button to accept and activate their account, or select Decline if you do not wish to accept their request. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.